Namaste. Subject Engineering Mathematics for first semester BE. Name of the book author Dr. K.S.C. Sir. Module 2 Differential Calculus 2. Article number 2.3 Partial Differentiation. Type 2 Indirect Partial Derivatives. Worked problems. Similar problem. If u equal to f of r, where r square equal to x square plus y square, prove that del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to f double dash of r plus 1 by r f dash of r. Solution for this problem. So u equal to f of r, where r is a function of x and y. So del u by del r del x, partial derivative of u with respect to x equal to, so this one f dash of r, again partial derivative of del r by del x. ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚೈನ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಡೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಡೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ಡೆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 divided by 2 into square root of x square plus y square into 2x. So 2 get cancelled. So then, so that is x numerator alli. In denominator alli square root of x square plus y square is r. So x by r. So idan il substitution madana idakke. Okay. So del u by del x equal to f dash of r. del r by del x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ x by r. ಸೊ x by r. ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು x ಅಗೇನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ del square u by del x square equal to del by del x into del u by del x. So that is equal to del by del x. Del u by del x is f dash of r into x by r. So apply product rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Equal to first function into differentiation of the second function x into del r by del x divided by r square. First function into differentiation of the second function ಅಂದರೆ quotient rule apply ಮಾಡಿರೋದು second functionಗೆ, plus second function into differentiation of the first function f dash of r ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಿದರೆ, so f double dash of r again r ಗೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, chain rule apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, del r by del x equal to f dash of r, ಇಲ್ಲಿ r square ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, take it outside r square ಅಂತ. So r into 1 is r minus x into del r by del x is x by r. Okay. Plus x by r, f double dash of r, del r by del x is x by r. So equal to f dash of r. So here take LCM, r square agattidu. Okay, r square minus x into x is x square divided by r irutte, r into r square is r cube. Okay, next plus x by x into x is x square divided by r square f double dash of r. Right. So this is del square u by del x square. So u is a symmetric function kuda godaitala. So call it as equation number 1 now. Del square u by del y square equal to f dash of r divided by r cube into r square minus y square plus f double dash of r into y square by r square. Call it as equation number 2. So adding equation number 1 and 2 add madidre, so del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to, so f dash of r by r cube is common illi. Okay, so f dash of r by r cube into, so r square is 2 times of r square minus x square plus y square. So first term is over. Either the first term. Second term alli f double dash of r by r square is common into x square plus y square. X square plus y square equal to f dash of r divided by r cube 2r square minus x square plus y square. X square plus y square is r square. So r square plus f double dash of r divided by r square into x square plus y square is r square. So this r square get cancelled equal to f dash of r divided by r cube into 2r square minus r square is r square plus f double dash of r. So here r square and this r square get cancel agtade. So therefore del square thus del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to 1 divided by r. 1 divided by r f dash of r plus f double dash of r. This is the answer. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square equal to f double dash of r. So ಇಲ್ಲೂ f double dash of r ಬಂದಿದೆ plus 1 by r f dash of r. 1 by r f dash of r. So hence proved. Okay, thank you so much.